If you're involved in an education program, professional training, or any kind of online course, you know that issuing verifiable credentials is non-negotiable. It's the moment of recognition your students and employees look forward to. But if you want to automate that process, should you trust enterprise solutions like Credly, or is the feature-rich, user-centric alternative, Certifier, the better investment? We're cutting through the marketing noise today. We'll be performing an in-depth, authentic review of both platforms, focusing on how Certifier, in particular, delivers a superior, friction-free experience for both issuers and recipients. Let's dive into the details. To begin, we have to look at how each platform lets you actually create the credentials. Certifier is designed with the user in mind by providing a highly intuitive certificate and badge editor with a powerful drag-and-drop interface. This gives you full creative control over the branding, content, and overall design of your digital certificate. The platform features a comprehensive template library to get you started, which makes the whole creation process incredibly fast. Credly, on the other hand, is known first and foremost as a digital badge platform. Credly users sometimes report that they still have to rely on external design tools to finalize high-quality badge designs. Certifier's strength lies in its focus on being an all-in-one, fast and easy badge generator, with varied design options built directly into the platform. So, a digital credential should showcase your brand, not the platform you use to create it. Certifier truly understands this, and that's why they allow for advanced customization to tailor the credential's look and feel precisely to your organization's guidelines. A key feature that sets Certifier apart is the ability to link the credential landing page to your own custom domain. By presenting the verifiable credential as a part of your website, you are building brand trust and professional credibility with every certificate issued. Credly's approach to branding is often seen as more restrictive. They often lack crucial white labeling capabilities. You are typically forced to host your digital credentials on Credly's website, which prominently features their branding. For organizations that prioritize maintaining 100% brand ownership and a customer-centric experience, Certifier offers a significant, tangible advantage. Moving on to efficiency. When you're managing a certification program, manual issuance for thousands of recipients is simply unsustainable. Certifier shines with its automation capabilities. The process of issuing credentials in bulk is straightforward. You simply upload a recipient list from a spreadsheet. More impressively, Certifier supports dynamic content, meaning it can automatically populate various fields, such as the recipient's name, their course score, or the completion date, using the data from your spreadsheet. This ensures every certificate is personalized, accurate, and secure. Beyond bulk uploads, Certifier's powerful API and extensive integration support allow you to trigger issuance automatically from a wide range of apps, effortlessly connecting with your existing CRM or LMS systems. In terms of sheer flexibility for connecting diverse tools, Certifier's broad integration scope gives it an edge for organizations of all sizes. Now, let's consider the most important person in this process, the recipient. A frictionless, positive user experience ensures your credential is seen and shared. With Certifier, the recipient receives a personalized email, and clicking the link takes them directly to the badge's landing page. From there, they can immediately download the verifiable badge as a PDF or share it instantly on social media, especially LinkedIn. The credential is fully accessible immediately from the delivery email. Furthermore, Certifier provides detailed engagement analytics that allows you to track exactly how many times a certificate was viewed, downloaded, and shared, which is invaluable for measuring your program's reach. Credly's recipient experience has a notable point of friction. Badge earners must create a Credly account to claim their badge. This mandatory sign-up process can lead to resistance and a lower claim rate, potentially decreasing the effectiveness of your credentials. While Credly offers a mobile app and a skills wallet, the forced account creation is a hurdle that Certifier's straightforward, immediate access model successfully avoids. Thinking about getting started, One of the first things you'll appreciate about Certifier is how straightforward and intuitive the onboarding process is. The platform is designed for a great user experience, featuring a streamlined certificate and badge editor and a clear navigation panel. This focus on simplicity and an intuitive workflow means that organizations, whether a small course creator or a larger enterprise, can start designing and issuing credentials efficiently without a steep learning curve. Credly is undoubtedly a powerful enterprise-class solution, but with that power can come complexity. Some of Credly's legacy pricing models included an onboarding fee, which can be a point of friction and unnecessary cost for smaller organizations right at the start. Additionally, Credly's customer support primarily relies on email or a help center, which can be less responsive compared to the support needed when navigating a large, complex platform. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. Certifier's pricing is one of its strongest selling points due to its transparency and competitiveness. The platform offers a forever free plan, which is a massive benefit for individuals and small teams. This free tier is not a time-limited trial. It gives you access to the core badge builder, templates, and basic analytics, which allows you to fully test the platform without any financial commitment. Their paid plans are publicly listed, allowing organizations to budget accurately and scale predictably. This stands in stark contrast to Credly, which operates with a non-transparent pricing model. You will not find public pricing on their website and must contact them directly for a quote. Previous reports on Credly's costs show that the platform can be significantly more expensive, with higher annual fees, and in some cases, a considerable onboarding fee charged on top of the annual subscription. For any organization prioritizing budget control, Certifier is the undeniable choice. So, which one wins? For a powerful, flexible, badge-centric platform that prioritizes brand control, transparency, and the recipient experience without forcing a mandatory sign-up, Certifier is the superior choice. Certifier's intuitive interface and powerful automation will allow you to scale your certification programs effortlessly. So try it out and make your first certificate with Certifier. All the essential links and subscription details are provided for you in the description box below. Check them out and get started today.